guys, it's your girl Brandy, aka Brandy4. Welcome back to my channel. My boyfriend and I, we just landed in Turks and Caicos, Providenciales to be exact, and we're staying at an Airbnb. And let me just give you a little tour. So here's the outside of the Airbnb, and then when you walk in, we have a washer and dryer, which is nice. But let's look at the cooler stuff, like this beautiful bathroom. A rain shower. Love to see it. Love to see it. Yes, I'm still wearing a sweater because, you know, came from New York. It's very cold in New York right now. But it is what it is. It's my man's.
Oh.
Oh, good, because the way my... Oh, it's lit. Yeah, he did mention that we have beach towels and stuff.
And a little umbrella too, that's cool.
And then look at the bedroom and a mirror. A nice TV. And then a view of the pool. So we just got settled.
I did not know it was going to do that. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
So we just got settled in, and now we are waiting for a cab. We ordered a cab from Conch cab. It's like another Uber. Is it? We're going to the IGA supermarket just to get some Airbnb food and things. And yeah. So right now we're in the supermarket and bruh. I like this a lot. This is Queen Angel condominiums, by the way. Got an Airbnb. Got my little drink. Have my feet in the pool.
Yeah, this is real dark. I look like a locked character. Yo, if you open the menu up, it lights up. Like, look at this.
Bruh.
Look at this door. Like, hold on. Oh, I can't even open this right now.
Oh, bruh, this restaurant. Go to Infiniti. Infiniti, y'all. That's wild. Okay. Just a very fancy restaurant. They gave us an iPad to look at some wine options. Yeah. No, it's fine. It's fine. Another time. Hey guys, it is day 2. Kind of stayed in last night after we went to Infiniti restaurant because oh my gosh, Turks and Caicos is not cheap. We took about like 4 cabs yesterday, and a cab, it was like $20 a cab. Like, it's not cheap at all. So I would recommend, if you're brave enough, to drive in Turks and Caicos, because yeah, this ain't it. Be very expensive. So we didn't even end up going out last night, but also it was a Wednesday, so didn't expect much to be happening anyway. But today is going to be mainly a beach day. We're going to spend most of the day at Grace Bay Beach. So yes, we're at the grill right now. They have buffet style food. It's bussin'.
I ain't even saw yet.
And yeah, $39 a person if you don't stay at the Grace Bay Resort. So just letting y'all know. And look at this view. It's beautiful. This beach is so quiet. Like the quietest beach. Okay.
Alright.
Ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Ooh. Ooh.
I'm dead.
So yeah, I'm a little scared. He's trying to go deeper.
Are you gonna make a video?
Got some conch wontons. These are rum punch. Ooh, bussin'. Fresh blackened snapper. Ooh. And he got the grouper. Okay guys, so it is past 11 o'clock right now. We are about to head to Versache Lounge, and beforehand we are going to pregame. You already know what type of timing it is.
Ready?
Ready for these. Hey guys, so I did not do a video after coming home from Versache Lounge last night because I was very irritated. That was actually a terrible experience. First of all, there are like no cabs that run at night, so yeah, definitely would recommend you driving in Turks and Caicos because it is super hard to get a cab. It's super hard to get a cab here. Yeah, so basically we got to Versache Lounge. We had to pay a $20 cover. We walk in and yeah, I go to the bar. It's very empty in there, mind you. There was like a group of friends who were there, some other guys who look like friends of the DJ and the waitresses. Otherwise, no one else was there. So yeah, get to the bar, order a rum and coke. Literally, as soon as I get to the bar, a girl throws up on my leg. Yeah, had to walk away before I lost it. Yeah, tried to go to the bathroom. None of the sinks were working. Yeah, none of the sinks were working. There were no paper towels. And yeah, very irritated. I went to the bar twice, had my card waving in front of the bartender's face. Bartender did not take my card. The bartender saw me with my card in my hand, didn't take my card. So I'm assuming, okay, I guess it's ladies free since the event was called ladies free or ladies only or something like that. So yeah, I'm assuming, I guess it's free drinks. I get like 3 drinks in total for me and Kashan. We're just like chilling, listening to the music. The DJ wasn't bad. It was just that it was very empty in there and very janky looking and very ghetto. So we stay there for like an hour. Still no one shows up. It's like 1 o'clock at this point, and we decide, you know what, let's just leave, because as soon as the group of friends left, we were like, yeah, we would literally be the only people there. So we decided to leave, and then the bartender is like, wait, you didn't pay your tab. You weren't gonna tell me that, like, she didn't ask for my card, she didn't ask for my money, none of that. I literally had it waving in her face. She asked me right when I'm walking out the door. It was just a lot of money spent for absolutely no reason. And yeah, it was just very hard to get a cab. We were about to walk home, but then some guy, a friend of the bouncer, I guess, dropped us home for free. So that was very nice of him. That was like the best part of the night. And my nail broke. So we decided that we're not gonna go out for the remainder of our trip because who has the time? We get lit on our own anyway. So yeah. Today it should be a better day because we're actually going on a sunset cruise, and I'm actually pretty excited about that because it's gonna be very romantic. This is an anniversary trip. I don't think I mentioned this, but Kashan and I have been together for a year now and we're celebrating that. So yeah, we're just gonna make the most out of this trip. And despite what a terrible night, last night was like such a fail, but it's fine, like it's good, it all worked out. So yeah, we're gonna go to the supermarket real quick and then we're gonna head to Coral Garden, something like that. I'll probably put it in the video, but yes, we're gonna head there for the sunset cruise. We're at Coral Gardens. Cheers to being the baddest. Her. Just chilling in the water right now. We had the Conch combo real quick, and then he got the jerk chicken and something else. I mean, yeah, it looked like jerk chicken. It is day 4 of our Turks and Caicos trip, Saturday to be exact. Yesterday we were super lit from the sunset cruise. I would actually recommend couples to go on the sunset cruise. Don't get me wrong, single people or friend groups can go on the sunset cruise, but like there are just mostly heterosexual couples on that cruise. But it was fun. Like, we had a good time and we had a lot to drink. So now today we are just going to Grace Bay Beach, and then afterwards we're gonna go glass bottom kayaking to see some turtles, see some fish, whatever. So yeah, exciting.
Yeah.
Wow, your skin is glowing.
Max 40.
Ports of Call Resort, where we should have stayed. So now we are heading to kayaking. Woo, yeah! Wow, that bee is really big. Like this video if you like my hat. Just want to get it like straight at this. Yes, I see it. I saw it.
Alright, started.
Oh my god.
They happen to have gender?
Yes, they do have gender. They have male and female. However, you can only tell the gender when they're... Me? I can't give a kiss because I'll eat it raw. But we do.
Hey guys, so we just got back from kayaking and it was amazing. So now we're about to head to 7 Restaurant to celebrate our anniversary. Don't want to turn on the flash. Some apple pie. Hi, so we just got back from Danny Boys. Danny Boys is like a vibe. It's a vibe. They were playing nice music and it was like one of my favorite parts of this trip, to be quite honest. So yeah, now we're just going to pregame and
Yeah.
hi guys, so this is our last day in Turks and Caicos. We are about to head out. Overall, this trip was a nice trip. It was a great getaway for Kashawn and I, and it was nice that we were able to celebrate our 1-year anniversary together, and we're just super blessed to even be able to celebrate in another country. And Turks and Caicos is a beautiful country. They have amazing beaches. However, I don't think I would come back to Turks and Caicos because one, it's just extremely expensive. It's like the most expensive Caribbean country I've been to. I've heard it was expensive, but like, it's no joke. Like, Turks and Caicos is expensive. Like, seriously. So, don't think I'd be coming back, especially since there's not like much to do. Like, there are not that many options here, even though it's like super expensive. And then the cab situation is a whole other thing that is just very stressful. Trying to get a cab places is super stressful, especially when you're at an Airbnb. So yeah, that kind of like was really irritating throughout these past few days, but otherwise we made the best out of it. And yeah, it was just a really relaxing trip overall. Yeah, now we're about to head to the airport real quick. It's like 9:30 right now. We're about to leave 9:45 to catch our 1:45 flights. And yeah, hopefully the lines aren't too long. And now we're just and now we are just going to head back to our room and just
Make
drink.
our own rum punches, you know?
Exactly.
Yep, room's right here. We're making our own rum punches tonight. Ooh.
No, we doing that over. We doing that over. We doing that over.
This is lighting bad. Oh, copy. But
And now we're gonna go back to the room and make our own drinks. rum punch to be exact. And yeah, we about to get litty because it's our last night.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah, boy.
Boy.